Are you looking for ways to get more leads for your coaching or your healing business online? Well, if that's the case, then this video is for you. Get 'em!
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help coaches and healers create their first or their next 10K payday where they go out there and they generate $10,000 for their coaching or their healing business in 30 days or less using a profitable presentation. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be going over how do you go out there and promote your coaching or your healing business online, and how do you specifically do it in a way that is going to generate leads for your coaching business. We're going to be talking about how you can get seen online today. We're specifically going to be talking about how you can go out online and not only generate leads with paid advertising, but some specific strategies that we use and some of our top strategies that we use to generate leads without having to go out there and spend a lot of money on online advertising. So without any further ado, if you all are ready to go out there and learn how to generate more leads online for your coaching business, specifically like a boss, well then let's head on into this video. All right, so first things first, when we're talking about promoting yourself online and we're talking about going out there and generating leads online, right, for your coaching or your healing business, we need to understand that there's going to be two types of ways that you can promote yourself online, right? You're going to have what is called organic marketing or organic promotion. This is going to be where you can go out there and you can promote yourself online. This can be on any social media platform, anywhere online, but this is where you promote yourself online for free. That means you do not spend money on advertising or paid advertising online. Think Facebook ads, YouTube ads, things like that, right? And then the other way, and you probably guessed it, right, is going to be paid advertising. This is going to be where you run paid ads, right, to people or to get in front of people who might need your help with the thing that you are offering. Both ways work, but understanding specifically how to use both ways can help you, right, go out there and create the most impact that you're going to be able to create in your coaching or your healing business. So let's start talking about how you can do that. Before I start breaking down how we go out there both organically and with paid ads and go out there and generate more leads for our coaching business, specifically show you exactly how we did this to generate enough leads to sign up over 250 coaching clients or 250 clients for our coaching business, right, in under 1 year, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing coaches and healers how to go out there and create their first or their next 10K payday with a profitable presentation in 30 days or less. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so let's start off by talking about organically, right? How do you go out there and organically, that means without spending money on advertising, how do you go out there and organically, right, generate more leads? How do you get seen by more people and ultimately use, right, organic marketing strategies to find more people who need your help? And it all starts, right, with identifying where your people are. It doesn't matter how good your marketing is. It doesn't matter how great you are in front of a camera or how great you are at your memes, right? It doesn't matter if you're not on the right platform that your people who need your help are on. So we need to recognize specifically who we are, who we help, and then finding those people who have specific problems around, right, the solution that we can use to help them. So that's the first thing. Then the next thing we want to make sure that we do is that we create a home base on that specific channel. So say that's Facebook, right? Say that's YouTube, say that's Instagram, TikTok, whatever it might be. But regardless, right, we need to create a profile that is going to be our home base, because ultimately when people see content on that platform, guess where they're going to go if they like that content? Your home base, your personal profile, your profile on that platform. So we want to make sure that we have, right, a home base online or a profile online that is letting people know who we are, what we do, and specifically how we can help them. So if we are using, right, our home base to start pointing people in the direction, we're going to be able to use our home base, like our profile funnels on Facebook, right, or our profile funnels on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, whatever it might be. And if you're on YouTube right now watching this, you literally might be able to go onto my YouTube, look at my image on my YouTube, and also see that I have a link over there that is driving you to a place that is generating traffic from our YouTube channel. That is then going to take you to a place where you can then create more 10K paydays. So ultimately, right, like you're able to use your profile funnel, your home base, in whichever platform that you are on or that you are using, right, for your business to be seen by more people and ultimately create more impact. You're able to build this home base in a way that is going to not only let people know who you are, but is going to use it to start driving traffic to that so that they can start working with you. All right, so you got your home base, you got, whatever it might be. It's Facebook, it's Instagram, it's TikTok. I mean, it's really wherever your customers are, right? Like I always find it funny when people are like, well, which platform should I be on? You should be on the platform where your people are. At the end of the day, that's what matters. But how do you start getting more people to see, right, your home base? How do you start getting more people to see this profile funnel? And of course, if you're looking to build your profile funnel up, we have other videos on our channel that talk to you specifically about how to build your profile funnel on any platform, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, wherever. It will show you, because it's all really the same thing, right? It's just a matter of where do you put the things on your profile funnel to promote yourself. So ultimately, you can go check out one of those videos anywhere on our channel. But how do you start getting more people to start seeing your profile funnel? Well, we do that, right, with content. And we're putting a lot of content out there and communicating with people, right, online or, online that specifically could use our help. So creating content like videos, like what you're watching now. We could also take these videos and we could take exactly what we talk about in these videos and we could write them out, and then we could have a long post that we could put content on with a photo. We could also use photos of us in the moment, right? And then talk about what's going on in those photos. But there's a lot of different ways that we can deliver this content. But putting content out online, right? And then letting our people know, the people who follow us or the list that we're creating, or maybe we're starting from zero and we're wanting to start creating a list online and start generating leads online. Well, then specifically, right? We want to make sure that we are putting content online that speaks to them, ultimately helps them so that they can go check us out, ultimately at our home base, on our profile funnels, and then be led to where we can help them. All right, so what social media platforms are we using? Well, I get asked this question all the time. Well, Sid, what social media platforms do you use? There's a lot that we actually don't use that you might be surprised, right? We actually use 3 major platforms right now that you could probably find us actively posting stuff on. We are looking to stretch this and use this more as there's a lot of platforms that you can use, but I'm a big believer that you shouldn't be going out there and trying to post, a little bit on all the platforms. You should pick one platform, perfect it, or not even necessarily perfect it, but build your system that you're going to use for it, prove that system and that it works, and then basically take what you've built and then just move to another platform. The cool part is about social media platforms these days is you don't have to shoot multiple different types of content for each one platform. You can shoot one piece of content and then you can turn that piece of content into whatever the platform wants it to be fed. So like I can take this YouTube video and then I can turn it into TikTok videos. I could turn it into Reels. I could turn it, into a long Facebook post or a long Instagram post. There's a lot of different things that I could do there, but ultimately, right, it's understanding, right, how can you use the specific content on the specific types of social media channels that the social media channel wants. Now, the specific social media channels that we're using right now is obviously going to be YouTube. That's what you're probably watching this on right now. We also use Facebook, so you can go check us out over on Facebook. A big reason we use Facebook is because we have a Facebook group, and a lot of, our presentations and a lot of how we help coaches and healers goes in and out of that Facebook group. If you don't know what that Facebook group is or you're not in it, you can go check that out down here in the description. We have basically a link that's going to lead you. It's a free Facebook group. It's for coaches and healers who are looking to go out there and create their first or their next 10K payday. So all of our free resources are in there, our free trainings. You can even promote your coaching or your healing business in the group. So if you want to go out there, if you want to go down there and do that and join a community of people who are out there looking to make more money in their coaching or their healing business, then make sure to go down there and join our free group. It's absolutely free and we can't wait to see you inside. But ultimately, right, we're literally just going to lead people right through Facebook into our group, or lead people to a lead magnet that we might have. Say you're on Instagram and you're like, well, I don't have a group, I don't have this. Well, you could literally have your Instagram could lead to your lead magnet, whatever your big lead magnet is, and then ultimately, right, like your profile funnel could lead them there, and then they're going to see you based on the content that you produce every day. TikTok, same thing, right? TikTok, you have to have 1,000 followers before you can put a link up there, but same thing, right? I mean, it's literally the same type of thing. YouTube, same thing. So ultimately what we're using is we're using Facebook, we use YouTube, and then we use TikTok. And then the way that we use these is how we kind of use the media to push eyeballs certain places. We actually use TikTok more so to push people toward YouTube than we do anything else. And that's mainly because we want to get eyeballs on us on YouTube, because YouTube is very searchable. Doesn't mean TikTok isn't or won't be in the future. It just means that YouTube is searchable. And even though you're not getting as many views maybe on YouTube, the people that are searching and watching your stuff on YouTube are people who need your help around that topic, and those are people that I want to be helping right now. All right, so we talked about organic, and we kind of went over, really the organic strategy that helped us sign up over 250 coaching clients for our business in under 1 year. We really didn't run a lot of ads. We did run some ads though, and I want to talk to you about when and how we ran ads, and not only specifically did we run ads, but when is it really purposeful for someone to run ads in their coaching or their healing business? Well, first of all, you should never run an ad. I personally don't believe to run ads to get new traffic, right? I don't use ads as a traffic source, meaning I don't use ads to go out there and try to get new eyeballs on me too often, right? Now, there are specific circumstances I might, and these are going to be bigger events where we have a planned budget for it. But if I'm not making $10,000 or more in my coaching business, I'm not running ads, period. So that's kind of the first thing I want to mention. And this is what I mentioned to all of our coaches and healers that we work with. If you're not making a consistent $10,000 or more a month in your coaching business, you shouldn't be looking at ads as a traffic source anyway, because you're going to be needing to spend at least $2,000 to $3,000 a month on ads for ads to even really matter. And some people are going to say, oh, well, you can spend $5 a day on ads. And it's all it really is. Ads have changed a lot. It's not 2019 anymore. So with ads changing a lot and all these things that have, really been happening on, platforms like Facebook and Instagram and stuff like that, you really got to have a marketing campaign budget. You really got to run campaigns now. It isn't just throwing up an ad and getting leads like you used to, throwing up a lead ad or throwing up a simple ad in a funnel and getting leads anymore. You really got to be good at it now. And it's not just because the platforms have changed, but there's a lot more people on the platform running it. So the way I look at it is you really got to have ads being measurable. We use ads as more of a microphone for everyone that has came into contact with us over the past few months to make sure they see what we're promoting. But ultimately, we're looking to run ads, and then where it's very, very measurable in a sense, if I'm going to spend, X number of $1,000 per month, I need to be able to get X number of $1,000 in return to not only cover that, but hopefully to make a profit. Are you a coach or a healer who's looking to go out there and promote your coaching or healing business so that you can go out there and sign up more clients and ultimately make more of an impact and more money? Well, if that's the case, then we just got done with what I call my brand new profitable presentation pack, and it's absolutely free, and I'd love to give you a copy of it. You can go down there in the description and grab your free copy of the perfect profitable presentation pack right now. And what you're going to get is you're actually going to get three things wrapped around 2 items, which is going to be my script and my slides, which is going to walk you through step by step how to put a profitable presentation on that you can use to go out there and reach your first year next 10K payday, as well as you're going to get my template, which is going to give you the flow and exactly how we build out our perfect profitable presentation with the step-by-step slides as well. It's absolutely free, and it's going to show you specifically how you can build a perfect profitable presentation in under 1 hour, so you can go out there in the next 30 days and use this perfect profitable presentation to make more money and sign up new clients in your coaching or your healing business using the marketing and promoting strategies that we talked about here in this video. So it's absolutely free. Go down there in the description right now and grab your perfect profitable presentation pack right now so you can build your perfect profitable presentation that's going to help you go out there and reach your first or your next 10K payday in 30 days or less. So go down there in the description and make sure to click on that. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. Let's go out there and let's make a choice to win today, not only by subscribing to this channel so that we can hang out every single day, but by going down there and grabbing your perfect profitable presentation pack right now. We'll see you in the next video.